Hey everybody, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back to all my subscribers. I'm so happy you joined this video today. So today's video is makeup and skincare for mature skin, but it's also an unboxing because I am trying something new. So I thought I would share it with you. So I have this. This is a Trendmood box. Like you can't read. Sorry about that. But anyway, I have never done these before, but I wanted to try one and I wanted to share it with you on this video. So let's see what is inside this. I think it's 18, volume 18 Trendmood box. So I'm going to open it up. We're going to check it out together. So here we go then. I'm going to open it up. You can see. Nice purple paper. I think it might have been opened by customs, but we'll see. Oh, look, it's all packaged. Okay, so we'll get into that. So here we go then. My understanding of the Trendmood box is that it's full-size items. So, and it's not a subscription. It's more like, here's the box. Buy it if you want to. Don't buy it if you want to. There's a limited number. And they feature full-size products. So if you want one, you have to get in on the action fast. So I live in Canada and everything takes longer here, but I really wanted to try this out. So let's see what's in this box. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is this Kopari. Let me see. Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter with Hyaluronic Acid. I really wanted this. So this is a body butter. It's supposed to be anti-aging, and let me just read the back for you. It has prickly pear and coconut oil, instant and restorative hydration for dry, distressed skin. Lord knows I have that. It's it's February now. Happy February 1st. And it's just midwinter, and I need some serious skincare. So I'm excited to try this. Rub onto dry or damp skin, can be used on the entire body. Love it. So I will be giving this a try, and I will let you know in a future video what I think about it. But look at the nice full size of this jar. And the jar is glass. And it's got this recyclable vegan. I don't know if you can see that. Clean. So lovely. So the next one that intrigued me was this Alicia Keys. So this is Alicia Keys. She has a skincare line now. And let me just take it out of the box. This is the Nourishing Cleansing Balm. And I've been really wanting to try a cleansing balm. This will be the first one I've ever tried. So here's the package. Now let me just read it before I take it out. Developed in partnership with board-certified dermatologists, this purifying facial cleansing balm melts on contact into a rich moisturizing oil. Formulated with bamboo, charcoal, shea butter, and a blend of sunflower, macadamia, and camellia seed oils. This luxurious balm to oil offering gently removes dirt and makeup while soothing, hydrating, and nourishing the skin. Sounds delightful. You know what? I didn't smell the Kopari. I gotta smell that one too. Let's have a smell of this beautiful packaging. Look at this. Lovely deep purple. Very substantial, very weighty. Comes with a nice little protector. So there it is. It's kind of a gray color, which is interesting, but it does have a bit of a scent, not too much. Does it say it's unscented? I don't think it does, but anyway, it doesn't smell bad. So that's nice. Now I just want to go back for a minute because I didn't open this one up for you. I always like to smell the things, tell you how they smell. Because I don't know about you, but I love scents. I'm an aromatherapy nut. So maybe I should do a video on aromatherapy. What do you think? Let me know if that interests you, because I do love it, and I do really find that you can alter your mood with aromatherapy. So that's why I like scents in my products, but it has to be the right scents. I don't like sickly sweet, fake smelling strawberry smells or things like that. So look at this. Like I'm going to use this tonight. Oh, it smells like shea butter for sure. And a little bit of coconut. That's to die for. So look at it. It's a nice, pretty pink. Great. Now, let's move on to the next thing. So, in here are some lashes. Now, I have to tell you, way back when I first started my channel, I tried false eyelashes. It did not go well. If you want a good laugh, go check out that video and I'll post it for you. But I'm sorry, I'll link it down below. Everything will be linked down below, by the way. If I can find these things online and you're interested in them, I will put a link for you. But, okay, I don't know. Am I going to try these again? These are mink. Oh, it says faux mink. 1 pair of premium faux mink eyelashes. Maybe I'll try them again. But honestly, look at them. They're just like so exaggerated. I don't know. Probably not a fan. I might give them away to somebody who likes false eyelashes. So we'll see. So next we have another Kopari. This is the Niacinamide and Caffeine Eye Bright Cream. So I have been really wanting to try a new eye cream, one that had caffeine in it. So when I saw that this box had this, I was, oh yeah, I'll try that for sure. So here's the tube, nice big tube, pretty green color. And it says on it, refreshing eye cream comprised of clinically backed active ingredients, including niacinamide and caffeine to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. It's the puffy. I have the puffy. I don't know if you can see if I take my glasses off. It's evening and I've been at work all day, so you know this is raw me after 9 hours working in the shop. But here's the puffy, right? So I'm kind of hoping that this will help with that. Reduce that a little bit. I do have blue purple under here, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. So that's not my true issue. It's the puffy. So we'll give this a shot and I will let you know what I think. There's a lot of great things in this box. It's really satisfying. So this is Alicia Keys again, the Soft Stay Brow Gel. So I've never used a brow gel. I will try this. Let's see what it looks like. It says clear, which I would hope a brow gel would be, wouldn't it? Oh, it says, this is interesting. Apply to brows to shape and keep hairs in place. To complete the ritual, recite the affirmation during application. Okay, so what's the affirmation? You are resilient. So again, nice big tube, beautiful purple that I guess she's chosen this purple to be her signature color for her line. I am resilient. That's the affirmation, I'm sure. So here we go. We'll just try it now. I have my makeup mirror right here, so I'm just going to give it a shot. Tuck my hair. I'm only going to do one for demonstration purposes. Okay, so there's one with and one without. So do we see a difference? Maybe. My brows can be unruly, so I'm going to keep trying this. We'll see what happens. Okay, the next thing in this box is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now this says, keep makeup in place with this clear gel primer full of skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid for skin that looks and feels its best. Apply evenly to the face before makeup, using your fingertips to pat into skin. The warmth of your fingers will help the product melt into the skin for even application. Allow 30 seconds to set before using makeup. So I'm not going to try this right now, but I will try it in the near future, probably in a short, to see how it works out. I haven't had the greatest luck with primers, especially gripping primers, because I kind of love my Chanel foundation. However, I will find a way to give this a shot. So subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned, and we'll check this out together. And if any of you have used this, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it, because that's always helpful for me. If there's a particular way that you think it goes on best or something like that, let me know, because I will take all the advice I can get. Thanks. So this is something I really wanted to check out too. This is Self-Reflect Rose from Kinship, and it's the Probiotic Moisturizing Zinc Oxide Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 32. So I think this sounds like a really great sunscreen to use every day. Here's the tube. Let's just have a little try. It's slightly tinted, you can see there. So I'm hoping this will do is one thing I can wear just, you know, on no makeup days where you want to just wear something on your face. There you go, you can see it. It does have that white cast that zinc oxide has. We'll see if that fades away. But I know the one I'm currently using now, same thing. It has a 50 spectrum on it. It's just a moisturizer. Doesn't have any tint to it, and it does definitely have a white cast, so I have to wait for that to go away, and then I put my foundation on and all is well. But oh, it smells like roses. Oh, it smells really nice. Yeah, that's really nice. So Self-Reflect Rose. So I will keep trying that and get back to you on it. Okay, I have two more things. I'm saving the super fun one for last. But this is the Wing It Mascara from Birdy Lashes. So the same people who gave the eyelashes, this is theirs. Now, I'm assuming this is actually mascara. Yes. Is an innovative custom to a waterproof mascara. The voluminizing and lengthening brush end delivers a buildable high-intensity smudge-proof appearance for each lash for a clump-resistant volume. The lower lash wand hugs each individual lash, creating an effortless and weightless definition to your lower lashes. Place the top wand at the base of your upper lashes and wiggle it back and forth, coating the base of your lashes. Then pull the wand towards the tip of your lashes. Repeat with the lower lashes using. So, all right, so it's labeled top and bottom. So here's the top one. So oh, it's curved a little bit, so that's cool. And the bottom one, I'm hoping is a little smaller, because I really have trouble putting mascara on my bottom lashes. Oh yeah, look, that's great. That's great. I'll definitely be trying that out soon. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for the video where I put all these things on my actual lashes and face and everything. I'll let you know when it's coming up, and if you subscribe, like I said before, you'll get a notification. See how this is starting to fade now, the sunscreen? So yeah, I think it'll be fine. So last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette from Nabla. So here it is. It's beautiful, beautiful box. Now I have to tell you, I've seen a lot of beauty gurus on YouTube talk about Nabla, and I have never tried it before, but a lot of them really praise it. So I was excited to get this box because it had this palette in it, and I believe it's called Read My Mind. Let's open it up. So here it is. Really interesting, nice, modern looking packaging. I like it a lot. So let's open it. Yes, it's beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful palette, especially going into spring with all these nice colors here. All the spring colors. Don't mind my chippy nail polish. I have to do my nails. But yeah, that's really pretty. So now they're numbered, and they're kind of in categories of color. So this says Scarlet, Rose, Sage, and Honey. So I think the way it works is there's a shimmer and then 3 mattes in each one. I'll have to investigate more when I actually swatch it and try it, but it is beautiful, made in Italy. I'm so excited to try this. Look how, I just can't get over how much I like the packaging. So stay tuned as we try that one too. So that's it for my Trendmood box. all empty. But what a great box. I'm really pleased with it. I'm going to try all the products now and let you know how they are. Sorry, I shouldn't do that while I'm talking to you. Little ASMR there for you. And I will let you know. Stay tuned for videos where I try the mascara and try the Nabla palette and the primer for you. I'll do that shortly, so it won't be too long. But I want to thank you for joining me for this one. I had a lot of fun. It was a great box, my first one, and I was excited to share it with you. So until next time, thank you again for watching. And I'll put on a little, what will I give you this time? A little video of maybe Jasper the dog. How does that sound? Jasper, my son's dog? Stay tuned, coming up. There's Jasper enjoying his carrot on the couch. What a life you have.